Hey everyone, it's Cassie. Welcome back to my YouTube channel for another video. Super excited about this one today because we're going to be taking a look at the brand new Simon Hurley Create Neon Lunar Pastes. I am so excited about these. I love neon. It's my childhood, and so when these showed up in the mail, I was super excited to play with them. I have some swatches to share with you. I also have some cards to share with you. These are absolutely beautiful, and what you see here is exactly what you get. They're so pretty. So let's talk about what their names are, and then I will show you my swatches. Well, we could just bring those swatches out. We'll just bring them out. We'll just bring them on out. Okay, and I do them on white and black so that you have, here we'll get that in the screen, so that you can see what we got going on here. So here is Hot Mess. This is like a beautiful hot pink. It's so gorgeous. Oh my gosh. And as you can see, I've been playing and having fun. I have yet to have any sort of issue with any of my lunar pastes drying out or anything like that. Obviously, keep your lid on there nice and tight and you shouldn't have a problem. But this is how beautiful it looks on white and on black. And I can imagine any other color of cardstock that you want to put this stuff on because it is stunning. Then we have Tangent, this beautiful orange color. Oh goodness. And it looks so good on both as well. Wow. We have Yellow Jacket, which is like a very, I don't know, darker yellow, kind of almost a combination between your yellows and your oranges. It's a really beautiful, bold yellow. And that's what it looks like on our white, and this is what it looks like on our black. I try to, use my finger to squish it out a little bit so that you get an idea of how that looks. Then we have Voltage, which is such a beautiful neon yellow. My goodness, that screams neon. And I love how good it looks on the white, and it looks fabulous on the black as well. Next we have Dart Frog, this beautiful neon green. So stunning on our white and our black. Then we have probably my favorite, because I do love some blue, is No Chill. And I've been using this one like crazy as well. Golly, these are so pretty. So it looks, there's our white and our black. And then the last one is Mood Ring, this beautiful neon purple. And you can see that also. So I like to do this with all of my lunar pastes, even my, we've got our solar pastes over here. But yeah, there's so many beautiful colors of lunar pastes. And you guys know that I really enjoy using them. They're so great to use on stencils. You can watercolor with them. I even stamped with them today. So we're going to put our swatch book away. And then I'm going to bring in, I'm just going to flip those upside down because they're gorgeous. And who doesn't want to see that the whole time? But let's bring in some samples. So what I did is I started off by just making a background with it. I used both of these colors. This is our Hot Mess and our Tangent, and I started at the bottom using, bring in the different, and I'll have everything linked down below, but I brought in this newer stencil. This one is called Happy Hearts, and there's two to it, but I only used one. And I started off with our Tangent on top and our Hot Mess on the bottom and just kind of blended them in the middle, as you can kind of see. So keep that in mind. You can mix these colors to even get different colors, which that's so much fun. And then I paired that up with this super cute spring Easter bunnies, but you don't have to use the Easter bunnies just as Easter bunnies. There's some really cute bunnies in there that could be used just for in general. I love this one with the butterfly. I thought these ones are super cute. This one holding the balloon is perfect. Obviously there are plenty of Easter spring images in there, but the bunnies themselves are super cute. And then the sentiment comes from, which one did I use that one on? Oh, this one. This is called Butterfly Kisses. So again, I'll have everything linked down below, but I used the Butterfly Kisses for that one. And so, yeah. Then I decided to do a little stamping with it, okay? I wanted to just make a little puddle of my color and spray it with water. So I put a little bit down and I sprayed it with water, mixed it around, put the next color. And what I did is I had this beautiful mood ring. Then I brought in our No Chill, and then our Dart Frog. So I had them lined up like that, and then I just kind of mixed them a little bit in between. And then I brought in this stamp, and I used the color that I had here as a stamp pad, and I stamped it onto some black cardstock. I also stamped it on some white watercolor cardstock and some regular cardstock. And this stuff has some really beautiful shimmer. You can't see as much on here. You could probably see it on my hearts, but it's got a really beautiful shimmer to it also. So not only is it neon, but it's got that really pretty shimmer. You could use this stuff for splatter. You've got choices. Once again, I brought in that Butterfly Kisses stamp set, and then the sentiments come from Lovely Lantana. Just really wanted some thank you cards because I'm depleted there. And then this one, of course, I love this one so much. I used the Purrfect Cats and the matching die to go along with it. Meow you doing? This one might be my favorite card of the day. But so pretty. I love how these turned out. And yes, you can even stamp with them. So that is another option when it comes to these lunar pastes. And then I went ahead and did another one where I stamped out my images using our birthday stamp. So this one is the candles stamp. And it's just a one big 6x6. I stamped it onto some cardstock. And I did use some VersaFine Clair Nocturne ink. But then I put the stencil. So the stencil is separate. It's just candles stencil. I lined it up over the top. And then I used my fingers to blend the color in. So I used the No Chill, the Dart Frog. And then, of course, we have our Voltage for our flames. And then I used Hot Mess and Tangent in there. And look at how pretty that turned out. And then our sentiment comes from the birthday set. Where'd I put it? I don't know where I put my oh, here it is. This birthday set called Birthday Basics. So this is a great one, just a birthday set in general. So, and I got another birthday card, and that shimmer. Oh, but yeah, you can blend these with your finger on there and still have those stamped images show through. So I think that's great. And then the final card that I made today, I started out with this stencil. This one is called the Geo Circles. So what I started with is ink blending. I did some ink blending with our Overzealous and Psych and kind of just blended those in the middle. And then I brought in the next stencil over the top, and I brought in our Hot Mess and our No Chill, and then those blended in the center. But take a look at the shimmer and shine on that one. I don't even know if this does it justice, but I love this card so much. This one uses our Big Hugs stamp set along with the matching dies to go along with it. But I just thought that bold panda on there would be perfect with the colored background the way that it is. So these are fabulous. I'll have them linked down below so that you can go and take a look at them if you want to. But yeah, I had so much fun creating with these, and I'm gonna do plenty more in the future. But imagine the possibilities, like the blending. You know, like I said, you can blend those to get some different colors in there, darker colors, however you want to do it. But there are definitely some great options there, and I can't wait to see what y'all do with it. So here we have it. Let me know down in the description box down below if you've tried the lunar paste before, or if you're thinking about, like, maybe this will send you over the edge and now you're like, I gotta go do it, because who doesn't love some neon? Or maybe one of the cards that I made. Tell me down below if you liked that. And I'm gonna be heading out to Creativation tomorrow morning, and so I will be kind of posting sporadically, but yeah, super excited to share that as well. But yeah, everything's linked down below. I will see you soon. Bye, everybody.